How long does it take you to make a boat?
3 months.
3 months.
Yes.
God, this is hard to walk. Yeah, over there, they're making what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, they're making a lot of boats. I don't know, they're like sanding the wood, putting it together right here. Look at this. Yeah, so many boats. Yeah. Oh my God, look at this. Cows and sheep. Sheep or the lambs? Sheep? What's the difference? I don't know. Look at that. See, even the cows in Pakistan are treated better and look better than Indian cows. I'm assuming all these boats go way far out in the ocean in the morning time, but it's the afternoon, so I think they all came back from their fishing trip. Should have came in the morning, but I can't wake up that early. Why is it so big? They catch more fish, or they go further out in the ocean? I believe they're making the net, or at least fixing the net for catching fish. Yeah, they lay it all out, and it looks like they're sewing it. They're sewing the edges. There's no Walmart in Pakistan, so they gotta make everything themselves. That looks like an unhealthy dog. Man, I wish I kind of came in the morning time when things are open. Gates open. I mean, I guess I can walk in here. Let's see. Oh my God, another dog. It's looking at me. It's looking at me. Oh no. Oh no. Look at all the boats they're making. So many. Fresh wood. Like, they really make this by hands, every part of it by hand. Oh yeah, so this is the raw wood.
Yeah. What is this?
Video. You making the boats? Cool.
Where are you from?
America. This is your job?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Personal.
So you take the wood and you make it smaller?
Yes.
Yeah. How long does it take you to make a boat?
Yes.
How long does it take you to make a boat?
3 months.
3 months.
Yes.
Oh, long time. Yeah, cutting it right there, the big cutting machine. So it's going on the boat. Oh. How in the world does it not sink? I mean, do they polish it? I'm not sure. I feel like I'm just like intruding on their operation here, but it's interesting. I can't not. That's what like Moses did. Moses made an ark just like this. I don't know why they're sawing it. Doesn't make it sink if you saw it. Huh? Just video.
Camera कितने में?
Yeah, camera.
Cold drink tea.
Yes.
Cold drink tea. Cold drink tea.
Oh, tea?
Cold drink tea.
Yes.
Cold drink tea. Cold drink
Oh,
tea.
cold drink tea?
Cold drink. Cold drink.
Cold drink? Yeah. Oh, well,
Video.
yeah. Vlogging.
Vlogging.
Yeah, vlogging.
Where are you going?
Where am I going? I don't know.
Okay.
Just walking around.
Oh.
How many hours a day do you do this for?
I don't. Language.
Like all day or little day? 1 hour, 2 hour,
12.
12 hour?
Yes.
Oh, long day.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
12 hours. Shukriya. I feel so awkward, but like I'm so tired today. I had no sleep, and like my mind just can't make conversation at the moment. I'm just like I don't know what more to ask. What's this? Big anchor for the boat? Yeah, there's big anchors. Oh, there's big anchors and small anchors for boats, I think. It doesn't seem like a lot to like stop the boat. The boat seems heavy for those like small anchors. Ah, those are the big anchors. Stash it in the car. 2 donkeys, that's like 500 horsepower, I assume. Man, look at this huge propeller. That's a word. I forget English sometimes. So, kids. I mean, pretty much all the fish in this entire city comes from this one place. These are the bigger pieces of wood. Yeah, they literally import tree trunks. Yeah, look at the nice painting on the boat. It's kind of cool. Like Pakistan and India really paint boats and trucks for some reason. Yeah, like there's like big boat artwork, truck artwork here. It's pretty cool. It really makes it look different versus like a boring truck or vehicle or boat. Man, look at this boat. I had no idea they'd actually make these boats so big. It's just held up on wood. Like, what kind of fish do they catch that's different? Why would you need such a big boat? It looks like a pirate ship. Captain Jack, Pirates of the Caribbean. So it isn't polished yet. Man. They even have carvings in the wood up there. This is a pretty cool area. This is a cool town, actually. Ah, this is where the big propeller is attached. It's to these huge boats. Some of them that are super old, I guess they're like taking it down or repairing the boat. What's this? Pakistan flag? And is this a Turkish flag? Why do they have the Turkish flag here? God, this is hard to walk with all the trash going around. Oh my God, this is yellow. That's so yellow. Why? Look at there's thousands of boats here. And this is just one section. So if you can see, like, this is the water, it's just gunk, mud, poop. Pakistan dumps like 100,000 tons of waste water into the ocean. That's why it's so brown, all of it. And that's why the fishermen have to go so far out just to catch the fish, because there's no fish at all over here. And so they risk crossing the Indian border, like the ocean border. And a lot of these fishermen gets arrested by the Indian police and spends years in jail just because they accidentally crossed this border in the ocean that it's hard to even like tell if you're crossing it or not. Because you can't fish here. It's pretty much the entire habitat here is ruined. Look at this.